Deep learning is an amazing technology. It beat almost every scientific and academic benchmark in the last 10 years. ImageNet, Switchboard, you name it, deep learning usually perform better than traditional ML there. That said, when you're approaching a machine learning problem, 9 out of 10 cases, deep learning should never be your first approach. You should always start with a simpler model. Starting with a simpler model, typically a linear or a traditional model, gives you so many benefits. For example, once you have a full pipeline from data ingestion, feature extraction, training, deployment, so on, and you have a simple model there, then it's much easier to debug that and understand if there's an issue in the modeling part or the data part. It just moves much faster and it's interpretable. On top of that, once you've done that, it gives you a great baseline of what do you need to beat with a deep learning model. If you build a model and using traditional methods and it meets the business KPI or the product KPI, you win. I mean, that's the best thing ever. You got a simple model, it works well, put it in production, everyone's happy. Now, if it's not good enough, at least you know where you're starting. And then, on top of that, if you have a traditional model, a lot of them are much easier to explain. You can understand which feature impacted the results, things that are possible with deep learning, but much trickier using explainability methods like SHAP and LIME. So it's just much more helpful to start with a simple model and take it from there. Now, sometimes you don't need to, and sometimes you do, and great, you can experiment with deep learning methods, but you always know to fall back, and you have trust in your workflow that you know that the other pieces are working well.